We're at DBR High Performance, where their motto is, there's no such thing as too fast. And we'll check it out coming up.
I always liked cars growing up. Started with go-karts, playing around go-karts, and they were never fast enough. So doing what needed to be done to make them faster, and then that evolved into quads, ATVs, and then that evolved into cars. So it's always, my life has always been about making something that's good, better, and faster. We did a CTSV a couple years ago. That's one of my favorites. It's a second-gen CTSV. It made a little over 1,700 at the wheels. Factory computer, no check engine lights. All the CTSV stuff remains, from the automatically adjusting headlights to the heated and cooled seats. All that stuff is there. Pretty cool to make that kind of power with factory electronics.
I'm now in the dyno room where all the magic happens. This is where the guys build the massive horsepower and test and tune it right there on the hub dyno behind us. Their hub dyno is made by Mainline, and it's only one of a handful in the country.
I love every build we do. I get a little bit of me gets attached to each one of them. And as we build more and more, it gets harder because that's a lot of little pieces that go away. But I just love all of them.
The bottom line is, here at DBR High Performance, you can spend whatever you want. $1,000, $1 million. It just depends on how fast you want to go. Get the horsepower just right. Why am I crossing my legs? And behind me is a hub dyno. It's really expensive, and you probably can't afford one if you wanted one.